Hi all, my name is Amit Kathade. I am part of IBM Storage Defender Copy Data Management Development Team. In the earlier video, we saw how to take the backup of a file system mounted on a Linux host whose backend volume is configured for replication using PBR. In this video, we will take a look at how to restore your file system from a recovery point located on your target flash system. To restore the file system, you have to navigate to Jobs, File System and create a restore job. To create a job, you need to select New and Restore. We have to give a name to this job and select Instant Disk Restore. We have to select the mount point using which we had taken the backup of our file system. In our case, this was our mount point which we had backed up. Under Copy section, we can select a specific copy which is located on your target flash system. This window will show all the recovery points that are available for the user to restore, and it will also show the location in which that snapshot exists. As you can see, the recovery point that we are seeing here is available on our target flash system. We will use that to restore our file system. On the destination window, we will select our same host and provide an alternate path to restore our file system. Once done, we can save this job. To start the restore, we can select the job and click on Start. Once the job starts, on the bottom side of your screen, you can see the logs for this job. This job will take some time to complete. We will fast forward to the point where the job is complete. As you can see, the job has completed successfully and it has restored our file system onto the Linux host. To verify that, you can log into your Linux host. As you can see earlier, the demo restore directory is not there. This directory was created by our restore job and our file system is restored onto the same mount point. If you want to continue using your restored file system, you can make the resources created during this job permanent, or if you wish otherwise, you can clean up. For this demo, I'll use the cleanup options. Once clicking on cleanup, it will clean up all the resources that were created during this restore job. We'll fast forward to the point where this cleanup job is complete. As you can see, our cleanup job is now complete and it has cleaned up all the resources created during the restore job. In this way, you can restore from a replication site. Thank you.